How to adjust brightness, contrast and saturation. First of all, open the app on your device and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your video is loaded on the timeline, tap on the clip you want to edit to access the editing tools. Next, select the Adjust tool from the menu. Here you will see options for brightness, contrast and saturation. Slide the brightness bar to make your video lighter or darker, adjust the contrast to enhance the highlights and shadows, and modify the saturation to make colors more vibrant or subtle. Preview your video as you make adjustments to ensure the visuals look balanced and appealing. Using the Adjust tool properly can dramatically improve the quality of your video and give it a polished professional look. Now you know how to adjust brightness, contrast and saturation in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.